So welcome to Accessorize Your Life. I'm Julia and I am bringing you a video today about the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And this sale for early access started on July 12th and it goes through today, July 18th. And that's why I rushed home well, I didn't rush home, but when I got home I rushed to change and bring you this video because my last item came in today. So I want to share with you what I purchased, but before I do, let me tell you this sale is not necessary. It's held yearly around this time in July, and early access, like I said, is from July 12th through July 18th, and then the general public, whether you have a Nordstrom card or not, are allowed to shop from July 18th through August 4th. Yeah, that's it. So the things that they offer are supposed to be things that are new season things for the upcoming fall winter. So you get an early chance, if you're an early access card holder, you get a chance to get first dibs on those things because the color you want, the size you want may run out later. So that's one reason why you may want to shop early access. For me, I chose to shop early access because I wanted something specifically for a trip I'm taking in October, and I did not want to go around searching for the things that I wanted, nor trying to find the right color or size or whatever like that. So if the things I picked up worked out for me, I may pick up something additionally. But as it stands now, I think I'm done. So I hope I've answered or addressed the specifics on this sale. Again, it's not necessary. Yes, there are nice things there. Can you find them somewhere else? Probably. Nordstrom has its own brands, in-house brands, so I think you can later on find most of those things at Nordstrom Rack, which is where I usually shop. But, you know, it's fun to shop a sale and it's fun to have early access to some things. So, without further ado, let me get started. This is the first item I purchased, and it is a little something because I've been eyeing since Christmas Kate Spade earrings, and I don't know why I didn't pick them up. I was going to give them as a gift and I was going to get a pair for myself, and I never did. And even when I got online and looked at everything, and by the way, all of my items came online. I shopped for them online and I got them through the mail, so I did not go into the store as of yet. But here's the box my item came in, and it's still not what it's very pretty. It is still not the brand that I was looking for. This is Nordstrom's own brand, and these are some little ear studs in a little baguette shape. Beautiful. Well presented in a nice box with velvet in it, and I hope you can see them. So these are like everyday earrings, and I plan to wear them on my trip in October. So, those are cute. Nice little sparkle to them, and I was hoping that they were about that size. So that's my first item, and I'm liking it quite a bit. And that was an add-on. That's not the reason why I went there. And this is an add-on too. This is not the reason why I went. See, that's how they get you. You start looking at the catalog online or whatever, and you end up making a purchase. So this I thought was so cute that I would be able to use this for my trip. And this is a sweater by something navy. And this was, it feels so good. Early access item, and I've been wanting a pink sweater, pink blouse, pink anything, and look at that. Gorgeous. I love pink on me. So this is nice. It has a little full sleeve, and it does a round crew neck, and it's ribbed. Gorgeous. And let's see what else. This is something navy, and it was originally $79, and I think I got it for $39. Nice sweater for the fall, and nice sweater for my trip. Okay, and what I went there for, why I decided to participate in the Nordstrom anniversary sale, is for one of my faves, a Longchamp Piliage Tote. And I got one in navy, and this is a special one, and I'm using it for my trip because it is an expandable. So I think, let's see, is it already unzipping? Yes, it's already unzipping here, so it's already expanded. It's in navy. I like it that it's black inside. If you know anything about Longchamps, you know that it's a nylon bag, very durable, nice leather handles, nice leather band that goes over here, and gold tone hardware and leather tabs on the end. This one supposedly, like I said, is an exclusive to Nordstrom's because it is expandable. And one other thing about Longchamp bags, they are durable. They last you for years. You don't have to worry about where you put them. You don't have to worry about if your bottle of water spills over in them. You can wipe them dry. But another great thing is about them is that they fold up to nearly nothing. So you can store them really easily. And that's why I went looking for another one, because whether I take this, carry it with me on my trip, or pack it, I have an additional bag if I pack it to bring things home with. Or if I just decide to carry it with me, I will, as my purse, I will zip it up to where it's smaller, and I'm just unboxing it, so I'm not sure how to do that yet. I've never had one like this, but I think I connect it. It's almost like the luggage you get that you can expand. So I think I connect these zippers somehow and shorten it up and make it smaller. But I gotta figure that out. So that's the reason why I participated in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And one thing that I was waiting, the last thing I was waiting to come in was this beauty right here. And I'm excited to see what it looks like. I have ordered this brand from Nordstrom's before, and I used it for a long time, and I haven't pulled it out lately yet. And the thing about it, if you purchase this, and here it is, it's the MAC Warm Palette. So it is eye and face, it says. Pretty gold tone, rose gold or packaging, and look at the palette itself. And when you open it up, I don't want to blind you, there's a large mirror on the outside here on the top, and inside here are the colors. You get a highlight, a blush, and you get these beautiful neutrals, and don't I love my neutrals. So I thought this would be a nice palette to take with me on my trip, and this feels nice. It doesn't feel like it's not sequins that you can move around. It's like a material that has just an embossing to it, or something like that. Very nice. I think this was originally $85 and it was on sale for $45 or $49. And if you ordered this, you got a surprise gift with it. And here it is. There were two, one for men and one for women. So these are little samples, and I don't even think they're that big. What did I get? I got a Kiehl's line reducing concentrate, and I'm gonna have to put my glasses on for these little things. So I got a Kiehl's Powerful Strength line reducing concentrate. I got a MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. I guess that's a little mascara, I'm not too sure. And I got something else. Here's a little spray bottle. It's a sample, so let me open it up here. I got a Aveda Infatti Scalp Revitalizer that I probably won't use. And I got a sample of Clinique Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharge Concentrate. Got tongue-tied. And I got a La Mer, my first La Mer product. I got a, what is this? A soft fluid long wear foundation, which is most likely not in my color, but it's my first La Mer product and I can't even use it. Maybe I can. Maybe I can use it to highlight some areas or something. Or, yeah, something. I don't know. I'll find a way. I'll make a way. But yeah, that was what I picked up in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So like I said, this sale is not necessary. It is fun. And if you are searching for something and you know you need something for an upcoming event, or you know that you need to buy a few items for your fall wardrobe, you want to pick up things like that, then it's great for that. It's great for shoes, it's great for jewelry, it's great for clothing, makeup, yeah, because you can dab into the higher expensive lines and get them at a sale price, some of them anyway. So, thank you for watching. Remember, a smile is your best accessory, and if you like, go check out the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Have a good day. Bye-bye.